Hey, what's up, Chad? I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me, they coming for my life. I don't stop at night. It's Marley Miss. What's up? I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me.
YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Pablo Savage 392, and I'm back with one of them things. You know where it goes on top of your night.
Scott.
Get dunked on. Y'all seen that clip? They want that bit of pressure. You know it was pressure, man. Today, man, it is hot. First, I'm in here trying to shoot this intro. Let me let this AC kick in a little bit. But yeah, man, it's hot. I'm sweating. Steaming in this bitch, motherfucker. God damn. Get the AC, nigga. I'm just messing with y'all, man. Oh, y'all having a good day, man. Today we're on our way. First thing I gotta do, I gotta go get this car. Oh, stop. Man, I know y'all seen we hit that 1K, right? I know y'all seen we hit that 1K, right? Ooh, let me do a shimmy. And one time. Bruh, thank you guys for following me. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel, hitting that bell notification, getting all those drops. I know the Noti gang come through with that pressure. They be like, we here, Pablo, we see you. I just want to thank y'all, man. I appreciate that. I told y'all, man, I'm very grateful for everything y'all do and contribute to the channel, man. Thank you. We going to all 2021, so y'all gotta keep going now. Keep sharing, keep inviting friends and family. I know that AC probably loud. Let me turn that down a little bit. Keep inviting friends and family, telling your cousin, your brother, your auntie, your mama, your daddy, your sister, your brother, all of them. Thank you for telling them Pablo is on his way, and you might well join the way. Get on, we all surfing together just like that. Smooth sailing. Evil laugh. But I got somebody here with me, man. She is truly my baby. Y'all ain't never met her. Y'all probably seen her, but y'all ain't never met her. Cause some of y'all knew. I'm gonna let her introduce herself. She might be kind of camera shy. Might not be, cause if you go follow her TikTok, do. What the fuck is that? Hey, say hey to the people. No? Okay. You ain't gonna speak. Just wave at them. Dang, dog, these kids be so shy. But be on TikTok with the do. What the fuck is that? You gonna act like that? Y'all see my baby hair it's so long, bruh. Ooh, she was like, Dad, I want some dreads. I was like, ooh, you do, ooh, you do, ooh, you do. Hey, she know her daddy a clown, bro. She know that. Don't you know that? You know that, right? We good. But yeah, man, we are on our way. Gotta get the car clean, because we know, she know, I know, you know, we don't go nowhere dirty. Nowhere. And I gotta get some lunch, because I kind of just woke up. I got a late start to the day because last night I had a long night. I was up editing a video, and then I dozed off. And I was like, man, let me get up and do something. So, man, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit y'all up when we get to the car wash. I already know we finna sauce this thing, go get that drip on here. And if you're looking to get some of this drip right here, Pablo Savage 392. Yours might not come with the play button. It's definitely not gonna come with the play button, but you can get this drip. Website coming soon, but if you want to go ahead and put your shirt order in, let me know, and you can write it down in the comment section. Pablo, I want a shirt. We'll connect either via YouTube, or you can come to my Instagram, same thing, Pablo Savage 392, and we could get your order taken care of, and I'll get it right out to you. I actually got to go drop off some merch to the post office now, because I have some family up in Atlanta. They put in a couple orders. So Savage Gang in Atlanta put in a couple orders, and they say, send us our stuff. They've been waiting. Send us our stuff. So it's coming. I also got to go by Racky Life graphic design store. That's who designed my shirt. So if you are in the local area of Jacksonville, or if you're online, just type in rackylife.com and you'll be able to order your merch. You'll be able to, if you want to order from me, you can order from me. If you want to put in an order for yourself, for your own brand, you can use them. Their service is great. You've seen the quality of the shirts I've been producing, so you know that this is pressure. This is pressure. You see how the shirt's been selling? Because they know that's that real material, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead and put your order in and let them know Pablo sent you. And if you're putting the order in for yourself, tell them that I sent you and you'll get a 10% discount on everything you order, on your whole order. So you let them know Pablo Savage 392 told us to come work with y'all, and then you'll get the 10% discount. I know you want it. Everybody want a discount. Who don't want to save a couple dollars here and there? So go ahead and do that, man. But other than that, man, we're gonna get on our way. I'm ready to play some tunes because I ain't been in my ride all day, baby. We're gonna hit the gas a little bit, smash out a little bit. It is Orange Crush weekend down here in Jacksonville, Florida, so we might run into some heat out here in these streets. You never know, baby. But other than that, man, y'all stick around, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Run it up, gang, Savage Gang. We here. Y'all know we savage together. We living together. We rocking together. We growing together. We getting this bread together. Let's go.
She tryna fuck me while I'm fast and she can't come around no more. Walked in the house, my pants up.
Y'all see my baby?
But it's you who I want. But it's you.
Get that glow on that thing, you know what I'm saying? They put that sauce on that bit. Get a little drip, you know what I'm saying? They got that red TA thing. That bit fresh. RT thing, my bad. Hear me? Y'all see it? They shining too. But y'all see the game, man. We gotta wipe this thing down. Next thing, that's pretty much y'all finna drive this bitch off for real though. And they gonna tow up the vacuums over here. Damn, that's ugly. Alright, gang, we are all finished, and guess what? It's gonna rain on our head, but at least you can ride through clean in the rain, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. We gonna be alright. It's definitely finna rain on our head though. But I'm done. Finna go pick up that. Hey, that pack just came in. Finna go grab the pack. If you order the shirt, it's on its way. It's coming. My bad, gang. Man, make sure I ain't got no food in my bed. I had to grab some grub real quick. But I'm here at Racky Life. You see? Racky Life digital printing and embroidery, bro. I see that. Ooh, that thing look good out here in these streets. You know what I'm saying? Big Daytona thing. Oh, dunk trial. You already know. But Racky Life, Racky Line. Racky Line. I've been saying Racky Life. I don't know why I've been saying Racky Life. I see him through the glass, baby. You already know. Yes, sir. Hey. What's happening, gang?
How are you, man?
Chilling, man. You all right?
I'm all right. The one and only, the Savage.
What's happening, brother?
I know you didn't get that from me.
No. This is my first printout. Yeah. This is how it looked when I first was getting them.
Okay, I know what they did.
It's on there.
It's on there. I know it's on there. I got your fresh batch.
Okay.
Right here. Fresh.
Y'all see it's lined up and pressed up, baby. We right there in these streets. You know what I'm saying? So look, I told y'all, if you want to get your merch, you know what I'm saying, hit me up. I got them coming in. I'm getting them out. They coming in and I'm getting them out, man. If you want to put in an order for yourself, hit our Racky Line. It's rackyline.com, right?
Rackyline.com or jetappearlcode.com.
Okay, y'all hear?
And there is a promo code called Savage.
Look. Told y'all get that discount now. Y'all go ahead. So if you put your merch in and you want to start your merch line and you put your order in through them, just use the discount code Savage, and there you go. You'll be in there. So, but I got a politic with him off camera, so I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get in the car. That boy finally caught up, man. He said some other people down there, so I don't really know. Like I said, I just wanted to ride through that bit, you know what I'm saying? Show that thing. Let them see that mango thing go crazy one time, go crazy, you know what I'm saying? Then we're gonna slide up out of here. Got some other shit happening tonight too, but I ain't gonna lie, it look active down here. Like it look real deal active. It's so many people, bro. Same thing. There's more people coming, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, we just gonna pop in, pop out, hop in, hop out, type deal, skirt, just like that. Cause hey, when I say the police is active, the police is active way. So I already know for me that ain't even a good time, you know what I'm saying? Like I say, that's why this finna be quick. Just like that, man. That boy ready? All right. So like I said, we're just gonna pull through that thing. I hope we can drive like down there on 1st Street. You know what I'm saying? Then hop back in traffic and get back to our side of town. Alright.
Snipers in the bees, a little hater, sipping on the lean, but I ain't lazy. Deja rate, fake, check your savings, eating on the face, she stay don't waste it. I've been smoking coffee with the weed. I'ma keep you healthy, selling peas. Never wanna sign me, what's the plea?
It's crazy. I see all these folks out here. They just crazy. I see that wide body cat thing though. You see that boy, bit pressure. And he got the peanut butter guts on that thing. Oh, he slide good too, I like that. Ooh, y'all see that thing. And that big guy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How y'all doing? They got this bit loaded though. What's up, man? Police is... Nah, bruh. Hey. It's a variety out there bit though. Yes, sir. There go that Mozzie thing. Got the red brake caliber on that bit. It's a lot on there. Damn! Look at the fucking field. I know the beach done. I know the beach done, bro. Look at the field, bro. Oh man, they got the birds flying over them and shit. They must have got food right there. Oh, I know the beach is stupid. Yeah, uh-oh, big cuz, what you doing? Niggas don't care. They just hit me. Just hit me. You ain't gonna get no money because I ain't got no money. So you gonna be mad you get hit by me. I'm like, listen, you want a job? That's the best I can do for you. Well, 06, I ain't no 06. That bit clean though. Uh-oh, go ahead, bro. Why y'all they just walking in front of the car like I'm supposed to know they finna walk in front of the car? What's wrong with them? Excuse that copyright. Which most of this will probably be muted. I think Xander finna do something else. I just wanted to roll through. there. A lot of people over there. People over there. People over there. Y'all see they deep too, bro. They is loaded. These ain't all. These people came from all. I really. It's crazy because these people came from all over.